This is elevator E at UPMC Horizon in Greenville, Pennsylvania. This one is another old 50s Otis elevator. This is similar to the C elevator, except sadly this one has an Innovation Universal slap on mod in the 2000s sometime. By Otis, I would assume. It has an older chime though, which is nice. Yep, similar except with a slap on mod. Yep, Otis. 3, here we go. It is very cold in here. Took a second to start up. Maybe this is on a new controller. I didn't actually know what that is. I don't think I hear a motor generator either, but it might have been installed with an AC driven. Yeah, that does sound like a new motor. Yeah, that's on a new controller, my bad. But it does seem to have original like cap door. But it still has some character, even though it is a little modernized. It is a basic standard old Otis cab with the tray lighting in the middle, signature old Otis. This one I think is the slowest that I've been on here. Here's like a 1. Most of those hydros are slow. Lights are just over there. How close is that's gonna be?